If your home needs a deep clean, but you're not sure where to start, use the spring cleaning checklist to streamline your routine. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, declutter every room in the house, including closets. Speed the sorting process up by labeling 4 clear containers: keep, give away, repair, and trash. Once you've bagged donations and trash, use these storage bins to reorganize items and store away seasonal clothing and decor. Once the clutter is handled, shift gears and dust. Using a telescoping pole duster, remove any spider webs on the ceilings and upper walls. Be sure to dust corners and light fixtures as you work your way down to the furniture. Once you've dusted, it's time to vacuum. Start with window treatments like blinds and shades. Then whisk away hair and dust off your furnishings. Then finish up by vacuuming the floors, shifting large furniture around to clean the floor underneath. As you move through each room, go ahead and give the windows a good cleaning too. Then restore the sparkle to your kitchen by giving appliances, fixtures, and surfaces a scrub down. First, discard expired foods, then thoroughly wipe down the refrigerator, freezer, and pantry shelving. Tidy up drawers and clean small appliances and use germ-killing wipes to disinfect their handles. And clean your oven, being sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Next, tackle areas that can cause odors or trigger allergies. Consider upgrading your HVAC's air filters, especially if you have pets. Now's also a good time to check smoke detector batteries and install carbon monoxide detectors if your home doesn't already have them. Finally, move outdoors to clean out gutters and downspouts. And wash windows as needed. Then, after removing furniture from your patio or deck, carefully pressure wash the area to remove built-up grime and mildew. You'll also want to wash or wipe down your outdoor furniture as directed by the manufacturer. Spring cleaning gives your house a fresh, spruced-up look you'll enjoy for many months to come. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.